There's a huge crypto bull run coming as part of an epic boomer trap, and I'm going to show you how to milk that motherfudger dry. Okay, that is not exactly how you do it, don't worry. That's just something I like to do in my spare time. For real though, stick to the end of this video and I'm going to show you the secret weapon me and my buddies have used to make trading crypto a billion times simpler. Not only that, I'll share with you one of the indicators I'm watching to warn me that the bull market is coming to a close, so we can all escape with our treasure whilst everyone else gets. I publicly predicted the bottom of the crypto market back in October 2022, and I laid out in a slightly janky presentation exactly what would catalyze the current bull run we're riding right now. And I'm telling you this so you know that although I sound like a clown, I've actually got my finger on the pulse of the market, and I know what makes her tick. If you've been suffering through the last crypto bear market, I feel your pain and I have one piece of advice. Pick yourself up, dust yourself down, and forget whatever happened in the past. Let all of your previous pain go, because making money with crypto is about to go easy mode, and the worst thing you can do is sit on the sidelines licking your wounds. Welcome to another episode of Money and Mirth with Matthew. I'm not actually a cow farmer, believe it or not, and I've never put in an application to marry my favorite pet. So from here on, when I talk about milking the bull run, let's keep it clean and mean and take the money making to the extreme. Oh, and can you hit that like button if you enjoy this video? Each like is a little pep talk for me to keep making a fool of myself, just so you guys can learn and laugh at the same time. See you after the episode teaser and theme song. If you like money, don't go anywhere.
Yes, the world is going mad. Sigma grind set, what the fuck is that? The middle class taking up their asses, the rich preying on their empty pockets. I'll own nothing and I'll be happy. Make it make sense to me. We're the scum of the earth, and we'll laugh till it hurts. It's Money and Mirth.
Okay, in a previous video, I spoke about the Bitcoin boomer trap. Links for that are here and down there. To quickly summarize it, I spoke about some of my crackpot theories about why this bull run is happening and how it could end really, really badly for boomers and anyone else that's late to the party. Today's video is going to focus on how we profit from this madness. At the time I'm recording this, Bitcoin is already tickling the previous all-time high, and many altcoins have already made 100 to 200% moves, bursting out of their accumulation zones. There are record inflows of money heading into the Bitcoin ETFs, but the media are silent. Why? Because institutions and smart money are still buying, and they don't want anyone else buying until they are ready to sell. I'll tell you how you can learn more about the crazy game of liquidity engineering at the end of the video. Remember, my crackpot theory is that crypto is going to go up to record levels so that 1, prices are eye-wateringly high, meaning anyone investing gets a tiny slice of the crypto pie for their money. And 2, crazy prices and marketing hype generate intense FOMO factor that drives boomers to start shifting their investments and their pension portfolios over to the crypto ETFs. And then they start investing into crypto markets in other ways as well. And then bam, down the market will go. And if the market doesn't tank, according to Max Kaiser, ETF holders in the USA still need to worry about the government seizing their assets. I'm going to tell you one of the indicators that I'm watching for to warn me that the crypto bull run top is getting closer. Note this one down so that we can all laugh about it in the future when it starts showing up. Are you ready? Pause and have a read if you like, but essentially, I'm betting that we'll see a bunch of fake news with fake boomers making a miraculous turnaround on their retirement planning, all thanks to crypto. When that starts showing up in the real world, it's time to start paying attention and start looking for more clues in the news and on the charts that something sketchy is about to happen. So the good news is that as of right now, the crypto bull run is still just getting started. And that means there's plenty of milk left in our boomer cow. The market generally works like this. Money flows into Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then major altcoins, and then all the other shitcoins. And then it moves all the way back to Bitcoin. And that cycle generally continues to happen until the full market cycle shifts from bull to bear or bear back to bull. If you want to make crazy, crazy money, then you need to play the altcoins because they have the potential to go up 10x or even 100x. That's notoriously difficult because there are hundreds to choose from and they're highly manipulated. So going it alone, especially if you don't have much experience, is a big no-no. Instead of playing altcoin roulette, you can get help in the form of crypto trading signals. They tell you what to buy, where to sell, so you don't need to be an expert anymore. Now, a lot of signal sellers are trashed here or downright scams, so you need to choose someone with a track record of delivering results. Enter Profit Farmers. I partnered with a veteran trader who works with his team of software developers to create algorithms that scan hundreds of cryptos 24/7 in real time. Now, these algorithms look for high-performance trading opportunities, and when it finds one, it gets thrown up onto this dashboard so you can decide what you want to do with it. There are also a bunch of other cool trading features that I won't bother covering here. Does it work? Well, in the previous bull run, one of Profit Farmers' users known as Coolfire turned $100 into $100,000. You can see his open trades here in this clip. This is one he saved and sent to me. I'm not making this up. You can try Profit Farmers entirely for free. It's fully transparent. Some of you will love it, some of you will find trading too complicated and emotional, but the results achieved so far in this bull run have been absolutely insane, and you'd be stupid not to try it out. Milk that cow! Milk that cow! Links are down below. Get on with it. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I'll talk more about Coolfire and potentially invite him on for an interview in a future video about trading psychology. And if you watch it, you'll understand why that topic is so important for him. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that one. In the meantime, if you want to do a deep dive on crypto market manipulation and how to profit from the pain of losing traders, you'll probably want to check this video out now. In that video, I also tell you exactly how I predicted this bull run, so you can learn to do the same. Hit that like button, check the description down below, and I'll see you next time for more Money and Mirth.